Now, I want to talk to you guys today about how you can make some pretty easy money. I think it's pretty easy money, just by transcribing, okay? Now, I know you've probably seen things like this before, but stick around, this is a pretty good opportunity. I'm going to show you how you can make even more money with this program. So, it's Scribby.com, and it is an audio transcription service. Now, a quick overview. It's home-based business. You can do this at your own convenience. They're going to pay anywhere from $5 to $25 per audio hour. Okay, now audio hour, this could be, it's the accumulation of all the audio together. Okay, so it might take you maybe 2 hours to put together 1 hour's worth of audio work. Okay, depends on how quickly or slowly you work. All right, most of the short files, most of the files are fairly short. That's about 10 minutes worth or less. They have a monthly bonus for every 3 hours that you complete, which is pretty cool. They've got an affiliate program, which I want to talk about here in a little bit. But first I want to go over the requirements. Now, you need to have good comprehension of English. Okay, obviously you need to be able to speak English very well because the majority of their customers are English speakers. Now, the ability to interpret conversations needs to be something that you're good at as well. And also the ability to apply context and identify the mistakes. All right. Now, to get paid, you're going to have a verified PayPal account. So hopefully you're in a country that allows you to have PayPal account. There's only like 6 or 7 countries that aren't allowed, I think. So you need a laptop or a desktop computer. You need an internet connection, headset, and the latest version of Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. Now, additionally, the core skill that they look for is the ability to correct the manual or automated transcripts. And it says Scribby will not be a good fit if you are looking for typing only jobs, okay? So to get verified with PayPal, you just go to paypal.com and do all that. Let's look down here about these, the payments. Now they pay $5 to $25 per audio hour, and it says that they pay by audio hour and not the actual time spent working on it. So the payment for a 6-minute file therefore can vary from 50 cents to $2, and the earnings are credited to your Scribby account, and once your submission is reviewed and it accumulates, then it will accumulate there, okay? And it can be written to your PayPal account anytime you like, or withdrawn, sorry. You have to submit a withdrawal request for that to happen, and there is no minimum withdrawal limit, which is pretty cool. The funds will be sent to your PayPal account within 1 business day, and there are no application fees or any other charges, so you sign up for free. Now, the bonus is pretty cool. They're going to pay you $5 for every 3 hours that you complete each month, which is really nice. And it says you can submit 6 minutes of raw transcripts or reviews each day. Then your monthly earnings will be about $40, including the bonus payment. So an extra $40 a month is not too bad. Now, here's where you can make a lot more money, and that is through the affiliate program. When you refer somebody else into Transcribe, then you can make a 2.5% commission on everything that they earn. All right, now it might not sound like a lot, but if you get enough people in there and they're working very diligently, then you could make a pretty good income off of this. All right.